Welcome to Stove Industry Supplies, HETAS Approved Training Centre and Replacement Parts Specialists. Today we will be showing you how to make a glass template for your stove. If you don't have the glass to draw around to make a template, following this video will show you how to do so. Remove any glass clips that might be in the door. Measure the overall width and height of where the glass would sit onto the rope seal. Make sure to leave clearance for any fixing point where the glass clips may be fitted to allow expansion. Mark these measurements onto a piece of cardboard and cut out your rectangle. To mark out the curvature of the glass, place your template over the window of the door and draw around the edge on the outside onto the template. Measure the distance from the curvature on the door to the outer edge of the rope seal, then mark this onto your template and draw above the previous line. It is always a good idea to replace your existing rope seals when installing new glass. Cut out your template and offer it up in place where the glass would fit. Make sure the rope seal is covered and there is clearance from any other parts from the door to allow expansion. Once you're happy with your template, write down the glass thickness and your contact details and send the template in the post. Once we have received this, we will contact you and cut it to your exact measurements. When you have received your new piece of glass, you can use tape to reduce the chance of the glass falling out whilst fitting it. Make sure to evenly tighten the screws and then remove the tape. When tightening the screws, be sure to not over tighten them as this can crack the glass. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.